Hey crypto curious cats and blockchain beasts. Welcome back to Finance and Blockchain Hub, where we explore the wild world of blockchain technology one bytecode at a time. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of Ethereum, the EVM, or Ethereum virtual machine. Hold on to your hard drives, because this little machine is where the magic happens. What is the EVM? Imagine a computer, not made of silicon and wires, but of a network of thousands of computers scattered across the globe. That's the EVM. It's a virtual cloud brain that powers the Ethereum blockchain, a digital ledger where stuff like crypto and NFTs live. This machine crunches numbers, runs programs, and keeps track of who owns what, all without a single point of control. Pretty mind-blowing, right? How does it work? Think of the EVM as a translator. Developers write smart contracts, which are like tiny little programs, in languages like Solidity. But the EVM only speaks bytecode, its own special language. So, the EVM takes these contracts, translates them into bytecode, and then runs them on its network of computers. Every computer verifies the code, making sure everything's on the up and up. And because everyone has a copy of the ledger, no one can cheat or change the rules. Craving some action that's even hotter than bytecode? Take a break from building dApps and head over to stake.com, the ultimate playground for crypto thrill seekers. Stake your claim on a universe of casino classics and scorching sports bets, all fueled by the lightning-fast power of crypto. Double your pleasure with a massive 200% bonus on your first deposit, plus daily drops and exclusive VIP perks. So, hit pause on the programming, crank up the excitement, and let stake.com ignite your inner crypto champion. Use the link below for an extra spark to your betting adventure. Why is the EVM so important? This is where things get exciting. The EVM fuels the entire Ethereum ecosystem. It lets developers build decentralized applications that run on the blockchain. We're talking about everything from DiFy platforms to NFT marketplaces, even games and social networks. And because the EVM is like a universal adapter, developers can easily port their decentralized apps to other blockchains that also use it, like Avalanche or Polygon. Talk about interoperability. The future of the EVM. The EVM is still evolving, constantly getting upgrades and tweaks to make it faster, more efficient, and even more secure. With advancement in Ethereum, we can expect even bigger leaps forward. This means more possibilities for developers, more dApps for us to explore, and an even brighter future for Web3. So, there you have it, folks. The EVM, the brain behind the brawn of Ethereum. Now get out there, explore the amazing world of dApps, and see what the future holds for this revolutionary technology. And remember, if you have any questions, hit me up in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious, hodl, and stay tuned.